If you are a gardener or new to gardening, I have a great challenge that I think you'd be interested in. So enjoy the video! Well, hello. Okay, to be a gardener, we always think that you have to have a large-scale property to be a gardener, but I'm going to prove to you that that is wrong, because anyone can garden. It doesn't matter if you live in an apartment, a condo, a house, a trailer, or wherever. So how this challenge is going to work, because I want to prove to you that anyone can start becoming a gardener, is you have to get a cardboard box, and you cannot put any type of plastic in it. It has to be your cardboard box. And what I want you to do is to plant seeds inside of your cardboard box and show me the results in 30 days. Okay, do you understand what I'm saying? So your box has to be planted with seeds, and the seed has to be something that will grow quick. So for example, you want to grow something like lettuce, kale, or something like that. You know, don't grow watermelons because they take a while to grow, and I don't want you growing watermelons inside of your cardboard box. But your cardboard box cannot have anything else inside it but your soil or whatever you use and your seeds. It has to be a seed. It cannot be a plant. So what you have to do, here are the few rules that apply to this. You're going to have to be a subscriber to my channel. You're going to have to record the video that you're planting your seed inside of your box and hashtag cardboard before. And you upload your video and tag me in it so I can see it. When you leave your hashtag cardboard before, it will be inside of my comments box, but you won't be able to see it until I release it, because I'm going to verify that the hashtag was entered correctly to be eligible. Okay, the seed cannot be, it has to be seeds, and it cannot be a plant. So like I said, get a cardboard box. It can be any size cardboard box, and plant your seed. You have this game giveaway starts officially April 1st and ends on the last day of April of 2022. And before it ends, I want to see your results, and I want you to once again upload another video that says hashtag cardboard after, so we can see your results, and tag me in it. Okay? So once again, you have to be a subscriber. You can only plant seeds, and it has to be in a cardboard box. And you cannot use plastic bags or anything inside of your box. Okay? And on the end of the month, the last people that are in it, I will draw 2 names, and you will be eligible to win a prize. And listen to me, you could win twice, because it's going to be a random selection of the winner. So the first selection is going to be the first hashtag, and the second one's going to be the hashtag of the second of your after video. So you could win twice. I wish everyone the best of luck. Hopefully you'll find this game helpful, challenging, and encouraging, because I'm going to show you that anyone can become a gardener. So once again, you have to be a subscriber. You have to hashtag and upload a video, hashtag cardboard before, and before the end of the month, you have to show me your results of your seeds that you planted, and hashtag cardboard after. Excuse me. And you have the chance to win either one prize or both prizes. So best of luck to everyone. Here are a few other videos to watch about gardening. I just want to take the time to say thank you so much for watching this, and you have a great day. Bye.